The diplomatic relations between India and Canada took a dramatic turn following the assassination of Hardeep Singh Nijjar on Canadian soil. Accusations flew across borders, as Canada pointed fingers at Indian officials, leading to an explosive diplomatic crisis. This presentation delves deep into the roots of the conflict, the escalation of tensions, and its global impact. Join us as we explore the key events, government actions, and potential ramifications of this unprecedented showdown. The murder of Hardeep Singh Nijjar in 2023 opened a Pandora's box, leading to accusations, investigations, and diplomatic expulsions. This presentation will guide you through the events that triggered one of the biggest diplomatic crises between India and Canada in recent history. Today, we dive into how one murder spiraled into a political nightmare, disrupting global diplomacy and reshaping alliances. The fallout from this assassination has led to the largest diplomatic rupture between India and Canada in decades. Relations, once strong, are now at their lowest, with accusations flying from both sides. Canada believes it has compelling evidence linking Indian agents to Nijjar's assassination. The accusations have sparked international outrage, and Canada is demanding answers. The RCMP's decision to disclose investigation details is rare, showing the seriousness of the threat Canada believes it faces from international actors. India firmly rejects all of Canada's claims, viewing the accusations as a political maneuver by Trudeau's government to appease separatist groups. India's official stance is clear: these accusations are not only false but also politically motivated. The government emphasized that Hardeep Nijjar was a known separatist and not someone to be defended. Trudeau's determination to double down on these allegations has turned this diplomatic feud into a public spectacle, further straining the already fragile ties between the two countries. Nijjar's death became the focal point of this diplomatic row, with Canada defending him as a political leader, while India labeled him a terrorist mastermind. This isn't the first time India and Canada have faced diplomatic tensions. The long-standing issue of Khalistani support within Canada has always been a thorn in the bilateral relationship. The tit-for-tat expulsions have only worsened the situation. What started as a simple investigation has now snowballed into a full-blown diplomatic feud. The case of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu further escalated tensions, with Pannu taking to social media to issue threats and allegations against India. As the world watches, the role of separatist movements continues to draw global attention, with both India and the US now deeply involved in the political chessboard. The world has taken notice of this diplomatic row, with international players carefully positioning themselves. The US, with its own significant Sikh population, has been particularly vocal, urging both sides to find a peaceful resolution. Beyond politics, the economic impact of this diplomatic feud could be significant. Bilateral trade between India and Canada stands at billions of dollars, and with relations cooling, both countries could suffer economically. Key sectors like agriculture and tech services may see disruptions, and potential deals now hang in the balance. The role of the media in this crisis cannot be understated. As headlines scream accusations and diplomatic tensions rise, the public is increasingly polarized. Misinformation spreads rapidly, and both nations find themselves managing not only political fallout but also the perceptions of their citizens. As we conclude, it's clear that both India and Canada stand at a crossroads. The need for dialogue and diplomacy is crucial in avoiding long-term damage to their relationship. The lessons from this incident will resonate for years to come, not only within these two nations but across the globe, as the international community watches how this diplomatic crisis unfolds. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.